Welcome to Lagu paTa from Solve, the virtual lab at NITK Surathkal. Klann mechanism. Aim of this experiment is to gain an understanding of a simple 1 degree of freedom working mechanism and able to grasp the applications of coupled 4-bar mechanisms. In this simulation, we have animation section, variable section, control section. Observe that the green links are fixed or stationary. The red links are the first 4-bar mechanism. The black links are the second 4-bar mechanism. And the blue link is the end effector. Additionally, we can trace path of the end effector. Check the box and observe the trace. Move the input slider, crank length OA and angular speed omega, and observe the changes in the animation and trace of the end effector. By changing the crank length OA, we observe other links scale to OA respectively, as the lengths are determined by specific ratios. Click on Pause button and change the input angle and observe the changes in motion of the mechanism. Once set, click on Play to resume the animation. Click on Rotate button to change the direction of the crank OA. Thank you for watching the video.